Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Helmi bin Zainal Abidin. I'm from section 6. Today, I want to explain about my topic which is recycling of polymers. So, what is the adverse impact of plastic on our environment? The major impact that we can see is plastic can pollute the sea. The use of plastic is significantly increased day by day. We can see that many lightweight materials that are floating in the sea. Secondly, bags of waste clutter the landscape. They infuse the air with poisonous fume if they are burned, so it can damage our ozone layer and atmosphere. Thirdly, plastic bags can destroy animals. Around 100,000 animals are killed annually due to plastic bags such as dolphins, turtles, whales, and penguins. Lastly, plastic bags are non-biodegradable. For example, plastic bags take around 1,000 years to decompose. How much percentage can be recycled? For your information, every year 3 million tons of waste plastic are made, and around 7% of this is actually recycled. The annual disposal of an estimated 9.2 billion plastic bottles. For example, every year 200,000 tons of plastic was sent 8,000 miles to China for recycling. Why they send to China? Because the cost for recycling is low. How are polymers recycled? Firstly, mechanical plastic recycling refers to process which included waste plastic being melted, ripped, or granulated. Second, prior to mechanical recycling, plastic must be sorted. Third, much sorting for mechanical recycling is conducted at the moment by skilled workers who manually sort the plastic into the form or color of the polymers. Fourth, the plastic is either directly melted down and formed into a new shape after sorting, or melted down after shredding into flakes and then processed into granules called regranulate. Recycling of plastic involves several steps. Firstly, collection. Secondly, handling or sorting. Thirdly, reclamation or cleaning. Fourthly, end-use fabrication. Fifth, degradation. Sixth, incineration. Firstly, I want to explain about collection. The most significant factor in improving the recycling of a product is voluntary recycling by the consumers. Customers do not sort their solid waste, however, but rather mix most material together. The cost of virgin plastic is about the same for many plastics as the cost of recycling problem in the recycling process. Secondly, handling and sorting. It includes moving material to the reclamation facility from the pickup point. Material sorting is required, for example, PET bottle, HDPE waste, aluminum alloy, or in wider grouping of material. HDPE and PET and other recyclable plastic must be extracted from plastic that are not to be recycled for the best ergonomic gain. So tremendous labor is required to pick up the recyclable by hands. Numbering system for plastic recycling. When number 1 inside the triangle, it called PET or polyethylene terephthalate. When number 2 inside the triangle, it called HDPE or high density polyethylene. When number 3 inside the triangle, it called PVC or polyvinyl chloride. When number 4 inside the triangle, it called LDPE or low density polyethylene. When number 5 inside the triangle, it called PP or polypropylene. When number 6 inside the triangle, it called PS or polystyrene. When number 7 inside the triangle, it called others. Others mean plastic including acrylic polycarbonate, polylactic acid, nylon, and fiberglass. Number 3. Reclamation and cleaning. Plastic must be cut into small flakes or shred for further processing after sorting. The flakes are then processed and washed with solvent to eliminate residual contaminants. In order to deform into pellets, the flakes are then sent to the fabricator. Number 4. End users sorted PCR. In the same application or in other applications, the recycled material may be used. Due to the risk of contamination and disease, PCR plastic cannot be used in medical and food contacting applications. It is necessary to heat up and reprocess thermoplastic many-cycle with minor change in resin properties, which is with minor changes in resin properties. Number 5. Degradation. By natural means, biological agents or sunlight, the plastic can break down into smaller molecules. In fact, some materials degrade very gradually. A few applications which require that the material do not degrade. For example, packaging material. Some implementation needs degradable properties. For example, surgery in medical implementation. Number 6 is incineration. Another method for disposing of a large percentage of solid waste is incineration or controlled burning. The most prevalent objective of burning is to produce energy. The energy content of different solid waste material and fossil fuels burned for power production. This is the process of the incineration. First, material are put inside the incinerator and the gas flowing through the pipe go to the next tank. Steam and carbon dioxide are going through the top of the hole, and metal, acid, and ash particles are going through to the bottom side. Lastly, what is the impact of recycling plastic? Plastic recycling uses less resource for water and energy than creates new plastic and creates less greenhouse gases. The recycle issue is that it decreases the plastic strength and flexibility over time. It happens because food or other plastic form harm or contaminate the polymer chain. So for the slide and presentation, I use 4 references to complete this task. Thank you.